Hello, and welcome to the Texas Department of Public Safety demonstration of the Vehicle Inspection Connection Bring Your Own Device program. Today, we'll be demonstrating how to start a new inspection. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Vehicle Inspection Connection landing page and enter your username and password. Please note that the password is case sensitive. And once you've successfully entered your credentials, select Sign In. On the Select Station page, select the station where you are performing your inspection. And once complete, select Continue. If this is your first time using the site, you will be prompted to answer your pre-selected security questions. Please note that the answers to your security questions are case sensitive. And once the question has been answered, select Continue. If you answer incorrectly, you'll be given up to 2 additional security questions. If all 3 are answered incorrectly, you will be logged out and redirected back to the landing page. Next, you'll be given 2 options for which inspection to complete. For this demonstration, select Start New Inspection.
Please note that this video demonstrates how scanning will appear on a cell phone or mobile device. Should you opt to scan from your laptop, you will complete the same steps to scan a VIN. On this page, you can enter vehicle information by scanning the VIN or by manually entering the vehicle license plate or VIN. To scan the VIN with your device, select the blue icon in the space under Enter VIN. A pop-up may appear stating stage-vic.add.portal.texas.gov would like to access the camera. Select Allow to grant permission. Once the camera opens, a blue horizontal line appears. Ensure that you are scanning in bright lighting and approaching the VIN slowly to improve the focus of your device's camera. To scan, align the blue line with the VIN. Once you have scanned the VIN code, the number will automatically populate in the Enter VIN space. If you do not have the ability to scan the VIN, you can proceed by entering it manually. Additionally, you can always search for the vehicle record by manually entering the license plate number. Once complete, select Continue. If the VIN or license plate is recognized, confirm the vehicle details below, and if accurate, select Confirm. If the VIN or license plate is not recognized, you can select to search again or enter manually. If you decide to enter manually, you will be directed to the Inspection Information section.
Next, you'll need to select the appropriate inspection class and vehicle type from the corresponding drop-down menus. If your vehicle record was recognized during vehicle lookup, the inspection class and vehicle type will already be selected for you. Once the inspection class and vehicle type have been selected, you'll need to review the vehicle information. If your vehicle record was recognized during vehicle lookup, the year, make, model, and VIN will already be populated. Review this information to ensure that it is correct. If you used a license plate to look up a vehicle and it is not recognized, you will need to manually enter the year, make, model, and VIN along with re-entering the VIN. If you use the VIN to look up a vehicle and it is not recognized, you'll need to manually enter the year, make, model, and license plate. Next, select the appropriate fuel type from the drop-down menu. Next, select the appropriate response to, does your vehicle have a license plate? If your vehicle does have a license plate, input the number and select the license plate type from the drop-down. If your vehicle was recognized during vehicle lookup, the license plate number will be populated for you. If your vehicle does not have a license plate, the number and type selections will not appear. If your vehicle record was recognized during vehicle lookup, verify that the registration county selected is correct. If the county is incorrect or your vehicle was not recognized during vehicle lookup, select the appropriate registration county from the drop-down menu. After selecting your registration county, you have the option to enter your registration expiration date. Next, select the appropriate response to the question, odometer readable, from the drop-down menu. If you selected unreadable or none, the odometer and confirm odometer sections will be grayed out and no information needs to be added. If you selected readable from the drop-down, enter in the mileage from the odometer and reconfirm the mileage below. Once all sections have been completed, select Continue. If your selected registration county requires emissions testing, you will be directed to the emissions affidavit section. Here, you'll need to complete the affiant name section with at least your first and last name in the appropriate boxes. Next, scroll down to the emissions testing exemption section and select the appropriate exception. Once complete, select Continue. Next, you'll need to verify and select your inspection type. First, select Insurance Expiration Type and enter the corresponding details. Now you'll need to select your inspection test type. For this demonstration, we will select Initial. Once complete, select Continue. Next, you'll need to perform the vehicle inspection. If an inspection item needs a warning, was repaired, or failed, please enter the appropriate information in the inspection item. When the correct warning, repaired, or failed status has been marked, select Done. In the event that no items have failed inspection, select the box stating, I certify that all items have passed inspection. If any item has been marked as fail, the certification box will be grayed out. And once you've completed all inspection items, select Continue. Next, you'll need to enter and confirm the fees associated with the inspection that you are performing. Once the fees have been entered, select Continue. Next, review all information on the vehicle inspection report, and if the information is accurate, print and sign the report and provide the signed report to the customer. Once the report has been printed, signed, and delivered, select Finish Inspection. Once the inspection has been finished, you will be returned to the landing page. If additional inspections are needed, please re-log in and repeat the steps to perform the inspection. This brings us to the end of our demonstration. If you have additional questions, please reference the Frequently Asked Questions link on the right-hand side of the login page. If you still require assistance, please reach out to the help desk or contact your DPS representative. For additional training videos and resources, please visit the DPS website shown on the screen. Thank you for watching. This concludes our presentation.